Fixing the Microsoft Dynamic Library. DLL pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. Before the technical guide for Microsoft Dynamic Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Microsoft Dynamic Library, a non-standard naming convention for the Microsoft Dynamic Data Library, found in Localized wrappers. It manages the redirected data link for managed code. Because it shares a name with core structures, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The Microsoft Dynamic Library, DLL library, is bundled specifically for localized application logic shim operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Dynamic Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Microsoft Dynamic Library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing Microsoft Dynamic Library and system behavior. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Microsoft Dynamic Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support